In this section, we will show you how to load the ink cartridges and fill them up. First, make sure the blue lever that locks and unlocks the cartridges is in the unlock position, which is up. You will start with the black cartridge on the very left, and then you will go cyan, magenta, and then yellow. Push them in until you hear it click. Then remove the rubber plug and insert a funnel. Now, you will retrieve your black ink bottle and pour it into the funnel, being careful not to spill it as the ink will stain carpet and clothing. The cartridge will hold two 4-ounce bottles. When you are done filling the ink, pull the funnel out. Then you will replace the plug and repeat for the 3 other cartridges. When you are done filling up the ink cartridges, be sure all the rubber caps are in place. Make sure the ink is filled according to the color on the cartridge. Also, you want to be sure that the blue lever is in the lock position, which is down. You can give the cartridge a gentle tug, ensuring that they won't come out. On the opposite side, you will install the dummy cartridges, since this machine is a white ink machine and not a dual CMYK machine. It does not matter what order the dummy cartridges are inserted. Make sure the blue lever is up when you're inserting the dummy cartridges, and place them in until you hear a click. When you are done, you are going to slide the blue lever down into place and give them a little tug to make sure they are securely fit. Now we are going to fill the white ink into the white ink management system, or the WIMS. You're going to remove the lid, and if you notice, there's a little filter. You are going to gently lift on the filter when you fill it so the air can get in and the pour is smooth. Notice also that there are 2 red lines on the white bottle. You do not want to go above the top red line, and you want to make sure that you fill above the bottom red line. Lifting gently on the screen, pour the white ink in until you are between the 2 red lines. When you are done filling, replace the lid on the bottle. And then turn the circulation on. You're going to wait for the white ink to come back into the bottle. That's how you know that the system is primed. If you notice the white ink has reached back into the bottle, now you're going to go ahead and turn it back into standby mode for now. On this video, we will show you how to draw the ink into the printhead. find the door on the side of the machine, you will then pull the latch out, then pull the door open. You'll notice your waste ink tank inside. It might come laying on its side. If so, you want to stand it up straight. Notice the two lines. One of them comes from the sneeze tank and the other from the capping station, which attaches to the printhead. The one we want is the one from the capping station, which has the shut-off valve. Unscrew the line from the waste ink bottle. You will then get your syringe included with the machine. You're going to get this end, and you're going to screw it into the capping station hose. Once it is hooked up, be sure your WIMS is turned on and gently pull on the syringe to draw the ink. You will see the white ink come through first, which is normal. When you're about halfway, pinch this into the line and then slowly push in. As you are drawing the ink to the printhead, you'll want to pay attention to the ink lines. They are located under the window on top of the machine. If you notice, ours is just about to the printhead, which is located under the plastic cover. You want to keep pulling until the ink has reached that printhead. Also make sure the WIMS is on when you are doing this. As you continue pulling, you can tell that the ink will turn a dark greenish color. Now once all the ink gets to the printhead and you have that wonderful color in there, you're going to stop pulling from the syringe and you are going to want to disconnect the line. You want to be careful because when you disconnect this joint, there will be ink that will try to spill. Quickly move it to the waste ink bottle to avoid spilling, and you might want to have a towel under it just in case. Now before we let this pump line go, give the syringe a few more pumps to clear the line. Alright, now what we're looking for is to make sure that the lines are full with the ink all the way into the printhead.